day. Off. Stay close. Heel. Get my sweater. Get it. Yes. He was I think sniffing something. Let's go. Wait. Yeah. I have it hooked in there, but I think it's gonna. Thank you. Let's let the kids go first.
Did you go first?
No, I'm waiting for those kids.
Hi. How much does he weigh?
65 and a half or something. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for carrying that one.
I'm carrying mine from you, no problem.
Wait. Two, can we be in the big boots back there for my dog? Benny back. No, I mean, I know what it is.
I don't even know if they have it. We saw a golden Trellis dog with a man. Which side is best?
Oh, I have to get his heart. I'll go on that side. You can go on the left.
Or whatever is better.
Benny, block. Benny, watch me. Yes, brace. At what, Benny? Oh, yeah, you can.
Take pictures. I didn't even think of that.
I don't even know if this is on anymore. Oh yeah, it's still recording.
Okay, is that you? How do I point it this way? Is it
It's
on?
just videoing. You can't, I don't think you can.
So Kelly, how does it feel?
Really excited. I'm so happy. I can't believe we're here.
Yeah.
It's been since March 17th, 2020.
Wow.
Look, no mask. Thanks.
It's been that long since you've been out.
So we're at Longhorn, and they don't have those folding ones. They had the folding ones before. These are just paper, so they can throw it away. That's too bad. So we've got each a glass of Moscato, and we both have water, and I remembered my straw and washed it, and Mom remembered hers, but it's empty.
I remembered my container.
She's part of the way there. And we're in Longhorn, where they have fancy gloves and a belt and horses. Benny has got, or he's laying down. You probably cannot see him because it's so dark. And Mom got some yummy bread. I can't because I'm gluten-free, but I have a good yummy empty plate. This is what I got, a ribeye. And they gave me a sweet potato, but they cut into it, either they buttered it or they cut into it with a white potato, but I tasted it and it tastes like butter, so can't have butter. And then my broccoli, and I asked them to season this with just salt. And Mom is having Parmesan crusted chicken and broccoli and salad. It's just super exciting. I've had such a great meal with my mom. We have to-go bags because I couldn't even begin to start finishing it, but so mom is taking a restroom break. Thank you so much. You too. I'm super happy. I'm like having so much fun. Mom and I are gonna go back and watch a movie, I think. It's been so long since I filled out a bill. It's super exciting. 3, 7.
I can't wait to get my haircut. It's going to be right before the
I feel ya.
No, but the thing is, yours is healthy.
Oh, if you look close, mine looks like that too.
Oh, yours looks very good. Do you remember it ever being that long?
I mean, I've had long hair because I never went to go get haircuts, but like, this is so...
It's as long as your arm. And that's not even
I can definitely hold it out. Okay.
Are we all ready?
Just a second, let me get my stuff all in there.
Yeah.
I want to get this in here, or I will never find it again.
Yeah. Believe me, even I.
Do you know how long it's been? Do you have hand sanitizer? Because I just touched your pen.
Oh, yeah.
Here.
Do you want it right now?
Yes. I need to bring put my straw back in too. I'm at my mom and dad's house, and my mom and I are going to watch a movie. Jojo, you getting your head bopped? Good boy, Ben. Hello, Gibbs. How's the old man? How are you? How are you? Gibbs is 10. He's going to be 11 in a couple months. You can see he's looking quite old. A very white face. Very, very white. Hi. Oh, so don't touch my paws, Kelly. Okay. Hi, precious boy. Yeah. Dash, get out of the closet. Leilani and Jojo followed Dash in the closet. Oh, you guys crack me up. Adorable.
You want another one, Gibbs? I mean, I swear they think this is like candy. I'm sorry. You snooze, you lose. Oh, what a good boy. Easy? Yes. So easy. What a good boy.
He crunches it. He just threw himself on his back. I'm gonna sit down. Actually, I had an amazing day. But something that you guys may not know is that I, with the way that my health has been and how incapacitated, especially the fall, winter, and spring were, I am not used to being up and sitting up in a chair and walking around and doing a lot of that at once. And so, actually, the last time I talked to my primary care doctor, he felt that physical therapy would be something I would benefit from because I'm not used to it, and I feel like I'm in a losing battle right now. I feel like it's just going to be impossible for me to catch up if I don't have that help. So I haven't scheduled that yet because I have so many things, other appointments I haven't yet caught up on from all of that time I wasn't going to appointments. And so all of this sitting up today, sitting up in the car, waiting for my mom while she was at her PT appointment for 45 minutes and, going to the restaurant and sitting up that whole time, like my abdomen is hurting. I feel like I've done way too many crunches. It really is uncomfortable right now. It's painful actually. And I'm not complaining, I'm just saying like that's my truth right now. And so when this has happened in the past, actually, there are videos you guys have seen where I'm wearing the same clothes because I filmed all 3 videos in the same day. The migraine diagnosis video, the new daily persistent headache video, diagnosis video, and then also the incredible anyway video. Well, I wasn't thinking that. I'm not used to sitting up in a chair, and so the next day I couldn't even get up out of bed because my abdomen was in so much pain. It was like I had run a marathon with my abdomen, and my body was excruciating. And so I'm a little concerned that might have happened today, but you know, I'm always glad that I'm able to push the envelope. I'm super hopeful that the migraine medication has helped me. And yeah, I had a pretty amazing day. I'm really excited to do more, to go more places, to go out in public. I'm absolutely going to be doing that. I may wear my mask sometimes in public because I am still immune compromised. If you didn't watch my COVID journey, I have it all here on YouTube if you're interested in watching that series. It was very early on, before we had many tests available, before we had reliable tests available. Right now I'm seeing 1 million fireflies, and it is so gorgeous. I wish I could show you all, but there's no way you'll see it with my camera. It's just not good enough. It was really exciting to get out in public, and I was so happy. I don't know if you could tell when my mom filmed me. I'm hoping she caught that, but I was just super, super happy. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I am Kelly. Remember, you are not alone. Go find your incredible anyway. Love you guys. Bye.
I'm just having a good